Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Shein app. So we click on it, and then after you click on it, you're going to see that it's going to ask you to like your location, your language, and your currency. And then we're going to click on go shopping, and then it will ask us to turn on notifications, and it will ask us to do some coupons. For order $0, it gives us 15% off. So based on what you want to choose, you can click your category and choose the one that you want. As a man, I'm gonna choose a man thing, and I'm gonna click on tops to find the tops. Basically, what you do is you click on it, and then it will give you like the categories that you can choose from. And there's a lot of things that you can do. And here's the messages section that you can get messages from the orders and also other things. You can use spring tone. So let's check the bottoms. Let's see if there are any good bottoms. Let's say that I wanna buy. There's no good ones. Let's say that I want to buy this one. So this one looks nice. It looks normal. Let's choose small, and then you can add the bag, and you can see that it's in your shopping bag now. And after you do it, you click on checkout, and then it will ask you to register, which of course you should register, and then it will ask for your payment method, and you can easily do it. You have to put your true shipping address to get it, by the way. After you click on category, you can find man, gym, to find things that are good. To me, this one looks good. It looks fine. Yeah, I can buy it easily. You can choose the size that you want. You can also click on new to find new products about women clothing and also men clothing that are good ones. And also there's Shein Club. You can click on gals to find products that are that are chosen from real people, I think. And yeah, it looks nice. You can click on me and find the coupons that you have. Also, you can register, and there's more services like support. You can talk to people like in real life for your orders. You can check things that are good, and you can change your address settings in here. And basically, this is your shopping bag, and you can buy things, you can add things, and that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.